How to get all latest 2022 Adobe softwares for free. Let's get started. Open Chrome and search getintopc.com. Now here is all the graphic designing softwares that you want. I will download Adobe After Effects, so I'm searching this in the search bar. I want 2022 version of After Effects. Here is the download button, and remember the password 123. You need to enter this when you run the file. Now open the downloaded file and extract it here. After the downloading, we will go to the setup and install the software in our computer. So here is your free app. Go get your favorite softwares for free now.